Don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're in Port St. Lucie, Florida, checking out a hidden gem that Jamaicans absolutely love. A food truck serving up some of the most authentic Jamaican flavors you'll find outside a yard. From jerk chicken to oxtail, this spot has people coming from all over. Let's dive in and see what makes this place so special. Hi Shaquille, how are you?
Wagwan.
Good, nothing.
All right.
Yes, so we're here and we're looking at your food truck and it's really fascinating.
Yeah.
I like the name though, you know, Ketchup. It's very Jamaican. How did you come about the name?
So my dad, my sister and I started this business together. And my dad is the one who actually came up with the name. I think the story goes that he was at a restaurant, and you know the Bob Marley song "Catch a Fire."
Yes.
Catch a fire. Yeah, that came up, and it clicked to him, and he said, "You know what? Catch a fire," because that's how we say it.
Yes.
You know, so he said, "Yeah, catch a fire, jerk and seafood."
Nice. So how long you been in the business here, Shaquille?
This year I'm gonna make it 9 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how has business been?
Oh, it's been good. It's been really good.
Yes.
Especially lately, we've been getting a lot of support.
From who? Who are the people who really?
It's a mixture of people. We get a lot of Jamaicans, but we also get a lot of white people, a lot of different cultures.
Yes.
Yeah.
They want to check out the Jamaican food.
Yeah, everybody loves Jamaican food.
Absolutely. So before I let you go, Shaquille, just tell me what do you serve usually?
So we focus mainly on jerk. So we do like jerk chicken, jerk pork. We also have like oxtail where we do every Friday and Saturday. And then we have we do shrimp, we do fish, escovitch, fry, brown stew.
Yes.
We do salmon. And then we have one of the most popular items is also the Rasta pasta.
Yes.
We keep a really small menu because it's a small truck.
Yes.
We used to try to do the curry chicken and the curry goat, but because of the space, it never really worked out.
Okay.
Yeah. It was just too much for the space we have.
Yes.
But
yes.
One of the most popular things is like jerk chicken, which we do on the grill. I wish I had something to show you. Natural.
Wow.
One of the good things about the jerk chicken and jerk pork is when we season it.
Yes.
We season it 2 days in advance.
Ooh.
So the meat marinate.
Seasoned to the bones.
Yes. So that's one thing that when me and my dad, cause my dad he's a born mechanic.
Yes.
But he also loved cooking because of my grandmother and grandfather.
Yes.
You know, they had a big family, about 10 of them. So cooking was a thing.
Yes. Okay.
So he loved to cook. My dad loves to cook. So do I.
Yes.
And one of the things he always says, the meat have to marinate, because if it don't marinate, you won't get the full experience.
That's right. Right.
So, all the chicken and pork is seasoned at least 48 hours in advance.
48. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, Shaquille, thank you so much for talking to us.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, guys, you need to come over to Port St. Lucie and check out the Catch a Fire. It's really on fire, guys. All right, Shaquille, thank you so much for talking to us.
Yes.
All right, guys, until next time. Ciao.